Like every Monday, we talk about seasonality, and today in particular, we talk about NASDAQ, since a period that historically has been very satisfying is starting on this American index. Here we are on the forecaster homepage. We go to choose precisely the NASDAQ, and by default, the 5-year seasonality will appear, which is, let's say, the best one to go looking for, let's say, trends. Going to select with the mouse precisely this period that starts from today until the end of August, beginning of September, and going to add the other seasonality 7, 10, and 15 years, we notice something very, very interesting if we move in fact. In the statistics precisely, this period, we see that this period has been bullish in 100% of cases in both the last 5 and the last 7 years, in 90% of cases in the last 10 years, and 80% of cases in the last 15 years. Statistics, of course, that is also confirmed by the individual statistics of individual years that we find in the even lower part. Seasonality speaks for itself, so now let us move to the charts to see whether or not the technical analysis supports this bullish view of the market. Here we are on the trading platform where we have precisely the NASDAQ index on our chart. I remind you that the one you have just seen is the platform of Kimura Trading Broker regulated in Europe. If you want to try a demo account or open a real account to start trading right away, you can do it from the home page of the broker kimuratrading.com through one of these 2 buttons on the top right. On the chart, we see that the trend absolutely is bullish. There is no doubt about it right now. And by the way, we are very, very close to some very important levels here. It is. And precisely they would see the price rise above 15,000. Very interesting to note that for several weeks now, the sentiment has been absolutely negative on this index right now. 87% of traders are positioned short, which, as those who have been following investing.bits for a while know, is a very good bullish indication. Since very often it happens exactly the opposite of how most traders are positioned. The chart of the NASDAQ, and in particular the sentiment, seem to confirm the seasonality. Our strategy then between now and the beginning of September will be to take advantage of any down days to position ourselves to the upside.